This brand is made in Mexico by Ream Manufacturing, which is a part of Paloma Group. The units are sold through authorized dealers in the USA, but their guarantee is not as good as some of the others. They use a wire grill for condenser coil protection, which does not actually do much to protect from hail or lawnmower debris. They have a powder coat paint finish and rust-resistant screws to keep the units looking nice for years to come. The SP15 models are basic heat pumps with integrated lift receptacles, which allows standard CPVC stands to be inserted into the base to raise the units in areas that receive significant snowfall. They have single-row condenser coils, which is easier to clean in order to maintain system performance, as well as a QR code that can be scanned to quickly provide technical information on demand. The SP16 models are premium heat pumps with an optimized composite fan shroud as well as a 2-stage compressor for efficient and quiet operation, but they are still relatively loud when compared to other brands. Their guarantee is not as good as other brands, as it does not include unit replacement in case of compressor failure. The Vantix Line SP18AZ heat pumps are EcoNet enabled so that they can communicate with the other parts of the home's heating and cooling system to maximize efficiency and comfort. They are much quieter than the other models that Sure Comfort offers, and they are backed by a pretty good warranty that includes unit replacement in the event of compressor failure. For reviews of all of the brands and a head-to-head comparison tool, check out HvacRepairGuy.com and shop for all of your HVAC needs in our Amazon store.